Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Mouser BOM export for EV prototype procurement step by step clearly. To activate Mouser BOM export for EV prototype procurement, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Mouser Electronics homepage. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Enter the specific components needed for your EV prototype. Select each component from the search results. Add your selected components to the shopping cart. After you've added all items, go to your cart by clicking the cart icon. Review the items you've added to ensure they meet your requirements. Look for the option to export a bill of materials, often labeled as BOM. Click on the BOM export option. Select the format in which you want to export your BOM, such as CSV or Excel. Confirm the export settings, adjusting any parameters if necessary. Download the BOM file to your device. Open the downloaded file to review the details of your components. Make any adjustments or notes as needed for your procurement process. Once finalized, you can use the BOM for ordering your EV prototype components. Follow through the procurement phase, ensuring to reference this BOM for accuracy. Utilize the information in your BOM to track your prototype procurement effectively. Regularly update your BOM as your prototype design evolves. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.